State Minister in the Ministry of Health and Wellness, Gov't Flynn, reiterates the government's support for exclusive breastfeeding as part of the healthy lifestyle thrust.
At the Ministry of Health and Wellness, our stance on breastfeeding is that it is required a whole society approach, meaning all of us, family, the policymakers, and employers, to name a few. It is our intent to reinforce this level of support across the entire health system in order to continuously improve the appropriate environments for mothers to breastfeed.
Exclusive breastfeeding gives infants the ability to develop healthy bodies and bright minds and stimulates lifelong health benefits for mothers. Statistics show that less than 50% of infants in Jamaica are currently breastfed after 6 months. And Minister Gov't Flynn says this will have to change.
Together, our efforts can move Jamaica closer to meeting the 5th Global Nutrition Target for 2025 to increase the rate of exclusive breastfeeding in the first 6 months up to at least 50%.